What's up? It's Fireman Chef Jeff, and I am hiring back, working another 24 hours, so 48 hours straight. I'm over here at one of the busiest top 3 stations in the entire city, and I'm gonna make my crusty salmon for them. So anyway, I'm cooking for 7 tonight, and yeah, hope you're having a good day. Happy Monday.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. The